Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you use the brush tool in Elements, you can specify the blending mode in the tool options bar. A blending mode is a setting that lets you choose how colors will blend when they overlap. You can set color blending modes in several places in Elements. This is the first time it appears in this course, although it will also appear in later lessons. When describing blending modes, it is helpful to think of the colors used in the following terms. The base color is the original color in the image. The blend color is the color being applied or overlaid. The result color is the resulting color produced by the interaction of the blend color and the base color. We will now examine each of the color blending settings and what they do to the colors. The normal mode paints each pixel to make it the result color specified. The dissolve mode results in a random replacement of the pixels with either the blend color or the base color appearing, depending on each pixel's opacity. The behind mode paints only on transparent pixels in an image. The clear mode paints each pixel transparent. The Darken mode looks at each pixel and makes the result color the darker of the base or the blend color. The Multiply mode multiplies the base color by the blend color, always resulting in a darker color. The Color Burn mode darkens the base color to reflect the blend color by increasing contrast. The Linear Burn mode darkens the base color to reflect the blend color by decreasing brightness. The Darker Color mode displays the lower value color from the total of all channel values for the blend and base color. The Lighten mode looks at each pixel and makes the result color the lighter of the base or the blend color. The Screen mode multiplies the inverse of the base and blend colors. This always produces a lighter color. The Color Dodge mode brightens the base color to reflect the blend color by decreasing the contrast. The Linear Dodge Add mode brightens the base color to reflect the blend color by increasing brightness. The Lighter Color mode displays the higher value color from the total of all color channel values for the blend and base color. The Overlay mode multiplies or screens the colors depending on the base color. Color is overlaid but retains the highlights and shadows of the base color. The Soft Light mode darkens or lightens the color depending on the blend color. If the blend color is lighter than 50% gray, it will lighten. If not, it will darken. The Hard Light mode multiplies or screens the color depending on the base color. If the blend color is lighter than 50% gray, it will lighten like a screen. If not, it will darken. The Vivid Light mode burns or dodges the color depending on the blend color. If the blend color is lighter than 50% gray, it will lighten the contrast. If not, it will darken it. The linear light mode burns or dodges the color by increasing or decreasing brightness. If the blend color is lighter than 50% gray, the image is lightened by increasing brightness. If not, it will darken by decreasing brightness. The pin light mode replaces the colors depending on the blend color. If the blend color is lighter than 50% gray, any pixels darker than that will be replaced with the blend. If it is darker than 50% gray, pixels lighter than the blend are replaced. The hard mix mode reduces colors to white, black, red, green, blue, yellow, and cyan. The difference mode, based on the brightness of the blend and base color, subtracts the blend color from the base color, or vice versa, depending on which has the greater value in terms of brightness. The exclusion mode is similar, but with lower contrast, to the difference mode. The Hue mode creates a result color with the luminance and saturation of the base color and the hue of the blend color. The Saturation mode creates a result color with the luminance and hue of the base color and the saturation of the blend color. The Color mode creates a result color with the luminance of the base color and the hue and saturation of the blend color. The Luminosity mode creates a result color with the hue and saturation of the base color and the luminance of the blend color.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.